Halloween has landed here at Anaheim Hills. Wait. It is the 40th anniversary of Spirit Halloween. Yes! That's right, guys. We are here to definitely check out some animatronics, some decor, and have some fun. If you're ready, I'm ready, Daniel's ready. Well, let's go.
Oh my gosh. Hey, George. How are you, bud?
See, he's smiling. He's having fun.
Only here at Spirit Halloween. Okay, that's enough, George. Spider eater,
Moth lover,
a roach eater, and the undead. Gosh, there's so much. Oh, someone give him a hand. Peekaboo. They've got mask upon plate mask. You got Cubone? Oh my gosh, it's about to be purged because we saw something. Why do these two remind me of Not Scary Farm? Is that Marshmallow? It's Gord in real life. Excuse me. It's Michael.
Aliens are real. What'd you say? Oh, I didn't say anything.
Remember this guy from Lake Elsinore? If not, definitely log into our undead circus. Can't say Halloween without Jason or Krueger.
See you in your nightmares.
John Massari and Kyoto Brothers, look at it. Oh my gosh, we found a killer clown. I think I found my costume. Oh yeah, I just don't think that Oogie Boogie Bash is gonna let me in with this costume. All right, if this ain't your style, you got yourself a chrome. Yeah, chromed out. Look what I got for you.
Ooh, I love it.
It's not just a pumpkin, it's Gord. Choose your weapon. Ow.
How in the world did they bottle blood? Where's Daniel? Oh, thank goodness. They bottled blood. Oh, thank goodness. All right. Trying to find a way out of here soon.
Real family adventures and memory. Like and subscribe, and better yet, subscribe and like to Adventures with David, guys. We're out.
Picture time?
I've been keeping these tools nice and sharp, just in
Tools?
case the farmer's spirit returns this year. I think he will be very pleased with how I've been running, and I'm sure
Oh my
he'll
gosh.
be thrilled to see you.
Reminds me of Universal Studios' The Scarecrow.
I thought we were Spirit Halloween. Why are we in Count Chrysolite? Oh my gosh, it's a jumping spider.
I'm out. Oh my gosh, it's a posable spider. Oh!
Hi, Scab. How are you, buddy? Don't. More terrifying, this thing right here, or the rabies. Oh my gosh, it's a vampire door knocker. Wait, or a devil one. Here at Spirit Halloween, do you need a hand?
Didn't your mother tell you not to play with the Ouija board? Well, it's okay. It's in a cup. It should be fine. We hope. Welcome to Haddonfield? No. Welcome to Anaheim Hill.
Dude, look at this sign. Slow alien invasion, because we know there's aliens. They prove aliens are real. They're gonna invade us. Oh, okay. We got the Martian pistol. Look at, okay, we know how they actually make these now. Hey, Sydney, what's your favorite scary movie?
Live wires?
There's still more great merchandise on its way. So stick around and make sure you guys are subscribed to myself and Real Family Adventures and Memories, because we got a lot more to cover. With all these spooks and monsters, hey, at least we got an inflatable scarecrow that won't jump at us and eat us.
Hey, I caught my own food here at Spirit Halloween.
No lie, I kind of want to be a blue inflatable like this guy, like this fall guy. Don't worry, guys, you can get your merch here. Spirit Halloween shirts are available now. That's right, Halloween does give me life. You know what also gives me life?
Syringes. Wish you were here. No, thank you.
Oh my gosh. You know, if you haven't seen The Night Butcher 2 yet, here's a sneak peek. That got me though. Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice? Dang, now you can't come out. Haha.
It's showtime.
I can be a Peter Pan? Holy cow. I am such a chicken. I'm about to walk like a penguin. And I'm about to run like inflatable wavy arms. All right, liquid courage, guys. 2-fisted tea and a white claw. Wait, clam? Spooky, scary skeletons. Woo!
Man, did we find so much ghouls, goblins, monsters, decor, and my soul has been ripped. Oh my gosh, that's right. Man, it wouldn't be an adventure without real family adventures. Oh, and memories, because we need those memories back.
Oh, they took them all. The souls.
Yep.
And our spirits were taken away, no pun intended.
Make sure you guys do subscribe to Real Family Adventures and Memory, because we are the dynamic duo.
That's right, we're taking over.
Yes. Yes, the haunt tour continues, so make sure you guys are subscribed, and make sure you guys do it. If you guys thoroughly enjoy Spirit Halloween, make sure you guys do get a thumbs up, because we are going to be coming back to a different Spirit Halloween, because I'm guaranteeing there's going to be a walkthrough. The most terrifying is that this used to be a Pier 1, and now it's a Spirit Halloween. And now we are onward to the next fun spooky adventure. Let's go.